Good day, everyone. I'm gonna try to keep it as brief as possible. I'm gonna talk about the major changes with the T9. Basically, this is for my YouTube video. I have my wife's phone connected to via Bluetooth to the T9 unit, and the major changes were the memories. It was like 464, then built-in CarPlay. That's the CarPlay right there, wireless, no cables attached. As soon as you click it, it goes to the last music or tunes that you were listening. So I was listening to XM. This is the XM app. Pretty fast. So bear with me, guys. I'm working with two hands and trying to get the best angle for you, specifically with Google Maps. So you still have both access to the phone and the CarPlay wirelessly. So that's the phone. Send the message to Savag Merdinian.
What do you want to say?
Testing the T9 head unit.
Your message to Savag Merdinian says testing the T9 head. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
So I just received the text. That's your music. I don't want to go through the CarPlay, what it does. So the T9 unit comes with this interface right there. This is the phone, which is way better than the T8 unit. There you go. Apart from that, there's the internal navigation GPS. Just to let you know, guys, the screen itself, I mean, I don't see it this much. That is the reflex, you know, like the sun, my hand, I don't see it while I'm looking live. It doesn't bother me. I mean, we see it in the video because it's not depth, you know, like in 3D depth. So that's the GPS. It locks when you don't have signal, and then you can use trace mode. You can do waypoints. So that's the GPS, internal GPS. The most important is the lag of the reverse video. So there's an option in it. It's instantaneous right now and it doesn't lag at all. Applications are there. Play Store is there. This device right now is connected through a 4G. You see how the kilobytes and bytes? I have an internal data plan, which is a SIM card. That's how much data I use today, which is a SIM card connected that comes with the unit itself. And you can even turn it off. Now it's gonna tell me no internet. Then turn it back on. I put an option that I can see right there how many kilobytes are, you know, like I'm using. So that's a 4G SIM card. Google Play Store. Everybody's asking about what skin is it or why is the interface different. Simple. Go to your Google Play, search for car launcher. It's a skin. I'm just gonna do it quickly and then install it. Let's go with this car launcher. Install. Remember, all this is on my SIM card. I'm not connected through Wi-Fi. I'm not connected. This is like a standalone. There's a SIM card inside on the USB or on the dongle or whatever you want to call it that comes with it. So that's the skin, guys. It's done by Agama. It's a trial. You can buy it after 30 days. It's really a nice touch. You can customize it. Theme editor. You can change the colors. I wanted a bit blue-ish. And then you can change the logo. Now I have a Nissan. So I'm gonna tell it distance measurement. So I can change it to Toyota. So you can play with it and do whatever you want. Put it on automatic while you're driving. It just switches between the compass, click allow, the compass and anything like the clock and everything else. So this is for the skin itself. I'm gonna launch it always. So now from now on, when I turn on my truck, it's gonna come to this skin. If I want to go back to my apps, I can check them here. So yes, you can do a XM with the app. I've installed my Ring. Radio is way better than before. Technically,
Sharon is dropping his new album.
It doesn't forget the time. So there's a big difference. There's no lag. This, I put my name behind it. I guarantee you, you will not have problems with it. I want to just uninstall basically the skin that I just added for you to see the OEM, well, kind of the factory look. So saying this, easy connection. This is another option. What you can do is connect through easy connection. It just mirrors your phone. Technically right now we're connected through Bluetooth. That's why it's rejecting it. So you can connect multiple ways with the unit itself. Bluetooth, phone, regular phone works, music streaming works, CarPlay connects to the phone. I can use Spotify from CarPlay, or I can go to my apps that I downloaded and use Spotify from there. So the beauty of me having a SIM card embedded in the radio itself, I don't need my phone to tether. I don't need a Wi-Fi connection. You just need to have an extra plan. Talk to Sprint, whoever your provider is. Talk to them. You can piggyback on your plan for $5-10. There are some options available. So as you see, it's really fast, no lags. I can use the internet while so that's it, guys. The most important parts are like the data. Equalizer is a new model. There's a surround sound. You can change the music, the sound to different versions. There's a bass boost. Makes a big difference. I don't know if you hear it well. Zones, SPDIF, frequency, sub left and right, and sub frequency, and bus filter. Did I leave out anything else? Again, I'm not connected through Wi-Fi, I'm connected through data. I can be connected through Wi-Fi with no issues at all. The lag, there's no lag. People are saying about the lag. There's no lag. I can even use Google. Hey Google, where am I?
Rue Ridgewood, Laval, QCH 7W1.
So okay, Google works too. I think it's pretty amazing device. There's a big difference between the T8 and the T9. The only thing I mentioned, I keep repeating that, there was an issue with the dust on top right. My unit that I received, I still have that issue. So Young and the factory advised me and they promised me that this will be resolved. I will be very upset if it's not resolved because there's dust accumulating under the screen for some devices with the T8. So I think that is going to be resolved soon. For now, that's it. This is an initial video of the T9 head unit with CarPlay built-in, Android and CarPlay built-in. Regular phone calls can be done as I did it before. I sent a message to an iMessage. Music can be heard, podcast, whatever you want to add, WhatsApp, and Sirius XM. That's it, guys. I'm gonna put the link to purchase the unit, and I'm here to assist if you ever need anything. It's pretty straightforward, plug and play. At this time and point, guys, a lot of people, bought the T8. I came up with a solution with the Young, saying that if you order, if you're a second buyer, you want to purchase the T9, I would grant $100 refund as a gesture for the people that already bought the T8. You need to send me the old order number and then the new order number. You will be refunded $100. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, you never know what I can come up with. By the way, a sneak peek. Beat Sonic, guys. The next review with the OEM device. It's gonna be an OEM. I'm gonna install the OEM device back. Radio, some people want the OEM. As I said, you can't satisfy everyone. Well, maybe I can, because I have all the things or the products that I'm trying actually to satisfy everybody with OEM look, USA made, Chinese made, Vietnamese made, I don't know, moon made. I don't care. As much as you're happy, you're enjoying your truck, you're upgrading. Life is short, life is tough. We earn our hard, earn money. We spend it whatever we want. So listen, If any of you or whoever is listening doesn't like this unit, just don't buy it. Move on. Whoever likes it, I'm here to assist. Whoever likes the Beat Sonic, let them buy the Beat Sonic. Whoever likes Pioneer, let them buy Pioneer. I think everybody is an adult, and I think God gave us the brain to think and to evolve. So that was it, guys. That's my presentation for the T9. Everything is resolved. I give you my word. I put my name behind this unit. There's no lags. It is worth it. It's worth every penny to spend on the latest T9. Take care, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.